हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नोबल इंग्लिश क्लासेस में एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग कुछ पढ़ेंगे नहीं बल्कि आज डिबेट करेंगे और डिबेट का टॉपिक होगा सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट। जिनको सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट नहीं पता है मैं उनको थोड़ा बताता हुआ चलो। आज जो हमारे पास संसद भवन है उसके ठीक बगल में एक नया संसद भवन बनने जा रहा है जिसका खर्च लगभग 971 करोड़ रुपीस के आसपास ऐसा बताया जा रहा है। टोटल सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर और भी बिल्डिंग्स बनेगी वहाँ पे राजपथ पे, जो इंडिया गेट वाला जो आपने देखा होगा राष्ट्रपति भवन से लेकर के और इंडिया गेट के बीच में जो सड़क है उसके किनारे किनारे, ठीक है। तो टोटल प्रोजेक्ट में जितनी बिल्डिंग्स बनेंगी उसका खर्च है 20,000 करोड़ रुपए, ठीक है। अब इतना बड़ा खर्च ऐसे कोरोना पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे गवर्नमेंट के जरिए अगर जो किया जा रहा है वो सही है या गलत है। हिंदुस्तान के लोग दो भागों में बट गए। टेलीविजन पे आपने कई सारे डिबेट देखे होंगे इस टॉपिक पे, तो क्लास में भी आज हम यही टॉपिक उठाते हैं और बच्चे डिस्कस करेंगे। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि बच्चे कोशिश करेंगे अपनी तरफ से, अगर फिर भी गलतियां हो जाए तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि उनकी गलतियों को माफ़ कीजिएगा और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। So today we are here to discuss about Central Vista project. So are you ready?
Yes.
What do you think about Central Vista project?
I believe Central Vista is a project for smooth functioning for our government. There's many buildings will be constructed like new parliament, PM office, PM residence, vice president residence, central secretariat and parks.
Okay. So he has said about opinion about Central Vista project. What do you think about Central Vista project?
I think that it's just a show off, especially during this COVID pandemic. This COVID pandemic has been a very difficult situation for everyone. A lot of people died during these days, especially in the Delhi. Many people lost their family members and friends. So when there are so many problems around us, how can our government focus on constructing buildings? How can be someone so insensitive?
Insensitivity he is talking about. What do you
That's not the matter of insensitivity, that's the matter of process.
think? Okay. Why do you think it's a matter of process?
Because many buildings were in the different locations, so if there will be one buildings constructed, so we don't have to go much far and we do our work easily.
Okay. So he's talking about the smooth functioning of the government.
I'm not countering him at the smooth functioning. I'm just saying that they should not construct it now because it is a COVID pandemic. Just as I said, it's not the right time to do it. They could save money and do it, and it is also risk for workers and laborers. They can affect their family members and they can affect their health too. So it is very difficult and it is very dangerous.
Okay, so he is talking about the timing. He's not against you. He's talking about the timing, and he's more bothered about the family members of the workers.
Workers are safe. They don't live publicly. They live in safely home, and normal people can't enter their surroundings home. So and this is not the problem of money. India has lot of money. That if you want to build your house, you say there's coronavirus time, I should not build my house.
Okay, so he's talking about the process. You can also do your own necessary things. How can you stop this important mission?
This is not very important for now because when there was no plan of that, our government was still working. There was when there was no thinking of that making Central Vista project, the government did the same.
Okay, so what is the problem if government makes now? What is the problem?
It will create so much pollution too.
Okay.
And the workers will.
So he's talking about pollution. Now you have to say.
If we have
Why pollution? And pollution is still there in the country. every time, Delhi has been facing lots of problem of pollutions. What do you think?
But it will so much space that it will make so much pollution. It will be harmful for us, and they will cut trees to like somehow 200 trees. So it will be bad for that.
Okay, so he is talking about the trees, approximately 200, as you said, approximately 200 trees will be cut down.
If a tree will cut, they will grow approximately 1000 trees.
Oh.
That's not our problem of pollution. If there's world's problem, because if we build our house, so we make also pollution. So if we do not make our house, and this is so much pollution.
Okay, so he's talking about the pollution. Just because of pollution, can't we do regular activities like making our own house and etc. etc.
He is right, maybe, but it will cost so much. They will have to give more salaries.
Okay. What salary issue you are talking about?
I'm talking about that when that new MP will come, and their workers too will come, and it will cost so much for their payments and salary. So,
Okay, so you are talking about the new MP in a new parliament building.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not about present. I think that problem is about future. In future, there is a plan.
why do you think every time negative? Don't you think there will be employment will be generated, and forget about it, there we can enjoy in parks, when parks are constructed with this in this Central Vista project.
So he's talking about new parks will be made nearby Central Vista project. So children can also enjoy there. Okay.
But it's not the feeling of that park.
That freedom will not be there, right? Like earlier, you used to go in a picnic times. Okay.
Yes, there will be not freedom. It will cost so much, so there will be more security, and the children don't love polices, and they don't. When there are polices, they don't enjoy more in playing. So they think that. Etc. They don't feel like they are strangers.
Okay.
Don't you think there are so many advantages? You remember you went there India Gate Park and lost. If there were no security, children lost, and many thief cuts his body parts and say give me money. So that's very problem, and say to his parents, give me money, nor I will don't give your children this.
Okay. So he's talking about the security. Security will be more. India Gate will be more safe for us and every people. So as you are talking about parks and trees, different types of things, these things are about future. We are here not to talk about the futures planning and etc. MPs, whatever he is talking about, the more salaries and things. We are here to talk about the Central Vista project, whether the government should go ahead with this project or not. What are the things you think it is good about this Central Vista project, and what do you think about, and what do you think negative about this Central Vista project? Okay, just focus on this point. Don't go beyond that. Okay.
In current parliament house, there were no earthquake proof, but in new parliament there are earthquake proof, and there were many new technology like digital paperless thing and new microphones.
Okay, so he's talking about the technology and earthquake proof. What do you think? In current parliament house, there is no such facilities as he's talking about.
But if it is like that, they could rebuild the current parliament houses. They can make.
You're talking about the renovation of the same building. Okay.
It will not cost more. The shape of that new parliament is triangular. Some people say compare this building to that USA building, Pentagon building. So that is good.
Okay, so we don't want to go beyond that. I think we have discussed so many things. We have discussed so many positive and negative points. I think we should come to the conclusion. we don't want to linger it anymore. We don't want to make this video very longer. So let's conclude. Who want to conclude? Okay.
So after listening to him, I am here to conclude that if it is being constructed, let's welcome it with a positive note. And I also hope that the government will manage the third wave better than second wave. And I also hope that the government will make our medical infrastructure better than before, not only in Delhi or big cities but in villages too, because their medical infrastructure is too low and we are being exposed to.
We have already been exposed, especially in second wave. The primary healthcare facilities is very in bad shape.
Yes, that's all I have to say. Let's think for good. Let's hope for good. That's all. Thank you.